Side parts originally were made of solid wood panels, one of them, over time cracked all over the panel, at the joint between the woods. Total disassembly for refitting means that I would have destroyed the originality of the steamer trunk, so I chose to fill the interior with successive layers of solvent-based wood filler to fill the gap and restore resistance, and the exterior with an acrylic wood filler, which I brought to match the color of the steamer trunk with natural pigments. Also, this part was discolored and had a consistent layer of dirt deposits which had to be removed. I did this with a drill and a fine sandpaper brush. After drying, sanding and cleaning, I also restored the original black color with concentrated pigments, not with paint or other modern substances. One step, which was a long one, was the rebuilding of the leather handles. Considering the weight and dimensions of the steamer trunk, they were created as faithfully as possible after the original ones, which were both broken. I used leather straps, which I looked for not to be new, but used to preserve the patina, which I glued together with a piece of thick pressed cardboard in the middle for strength and durability. After gluing, I cut them to size and sewed. It was a painstaking and long process. Considering that both handles had to be redone was repetitive work. And it was the first time I did something like this. Not having the necessary leather tools, I had to improvise. So I cut a fork, sharpened the pins, to be able to perforate the pieces of leather to equal sizes. After that, the next step of sewing handles was a long process.